Welcome to our tutorial about reducing RFI, or radio frequency interference. RFI is heard as buzzing, clicks, radio programs, or general hash in your audio signal, and it's caused by CB transmitters, computers, lightning, radar, radio, and TV transmitters, as well as industrial machines, car ignitions, stage lighting, and many other electrical sources, you name it. If you think one of your cables is picking up RFI, you can just try a new cable, or you can do a few of these things. Wrap the cable several times around an RFI choke. You can get an RFI choke at any audio or electronics supply store. Just put the choke near the device receiving the audio. You can install high-quality RFI filters in the AC power outlets. Usually the less expensive types are actually not very effective, so test them out. If you're a hardcore technical dude, you can solder some of your own cabling. So let's say you've got a floating cable shield. That means it's disconnected at one end. You can solder a 0.001 microfarad capacitor between XLR pin 1 and the shield. If your microphone is picking up RFI, you can solder a 0.047 microfarad capacitor between pins 1 and 2 and between pins 1 and 3 in the female XLR connector of the mic cable. Another thing you can do is periodically clean connector contacts with a deoxidizing formula, or at least plug and unplug them several times. Remember, it's better to take the time to sort out how to get rid of the radio frequency interference before you make the recording, because you can't take it out afterward. And this concludes our tutorial about reducing RFI.